Understanding the direct input box in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the phrase, direct input box. It might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Stay tuned to learn all about it. A direct input box is a term often used in the context of computer interfaces and online forms. It refers to an area on a web page or an application where you can directly enter or type information. Think of it as a blank field where you input text, like when you're searching on Google or typing a message. Every direct input box has key components. 1. Input field, the area where you type your text. 2. Placeholder text. Sometimes you see faded text inside the box, guiding you on what to type. 3. Submit button, often found next to the box, used to send or save your input. Understanding these components helps in navigating websites and applications more effectively. You encounter direct input boxes daily. When you log into an account, search for a video, or even when you're writing an email. Recognizing and knowing how to use these boxes is a vital digital literacy skill in today's world. For English learners, being familiar with terms like direct input box is important not just for technology use, but for understanding and participating in English-speaking environments. It's a part of learning the language of the digital age. So, that's all about the direct input box. We hope this video made it clear and easy to understand. Remember, every little bit of learning counts in your English language journey. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!